All day. Since today, anything you touch, you break. You break. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah. Get my food. Get my food now.
Was that why they quickly came to pay your breakfast?
Oh, Mama. No okay.
So what's wrong? Or are you listening already?
There you are. Obi, how did you get there? Oh, come here. Obin, what is this? Obin, please, if this is a trick, stop it. You're scaring me. Oh, come, please. Obin! 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 Obin!
You can stop here, Papa.
Where are you going? And what did you say you wanted to tell me?
I planted a seed in Nkem's womb. When the time for harvest comes, accept the gift which she will bring forth to you.
I don't understand you.
This part is too hot. I need to get going.
Where are you going?
To the place which I have been sent. Go home, Papa. We will meet again.
Where are you going? Come back here! Obiajulu!
How did you get in here?
I need your help.
I thought you said you'd be coming back tomorrow.
Can you help me? Can you help me come back again?
Bobby, your hand. Your hand is cold. You're scaring me. What do you mean by help you come back? Stop. You said you would wait till after our wedding night. Whose baby is this?
Give this baby to my father.
Your father? Where did you get this baby from?
It is our baby. Our seed.
Bobby, I don't understand. Whose baby is this? Bobby! Bobby! Papa, what about Obiachulu? Is he back yet?
He's not back yet.
Papa, you mean Obiachulu is not yet back by this time?
He's not yet back. I've been waiting for him too. I know something is keeping him. He doesn't travel late.
This is strange.
I'm worried too.
And Papa, please, Take it easy. Don't worry, okay? I know you will be back soon.
I hope so.
Okay, Papa. And Papa, I'll come back tomorrow morning to come and see you. Bye, Mama. Everything that happened is all in dream. But he touched me. Yes.
But you shouldn't be scared. Maybe he has one or two things to tidy up at school. I heard that clearance sometimes take 1 or 2 weeks to accomplish. Maybe that is why he's still there. Don't worry, he will come back. He will come back.
I know my son. He can't stay back without sending words. Do you know I have been seeing him in my dreams?
You have been seeing him in your dreams probably because you are always thinking of him. Always thinking of him. Everybody knows you are fond of Obiadi. You are missing him. That is why.
It's okay. If you say so.
Listen, you go and have your rest. Go and rest. Yes.
Okay.
If you say so. Yes. Go and rest. Go and rest. Peaceful rest. Sleep well. Kachifu.
It's alright.
Abba. Sorry. What is it?
This is Salome.
Sounds like a folktale.
Chioma, I am sure of what I am saying. I'm very sure of what I'm saying. He came into my room last night and slept with me. In fact, my lower abdomen is still paining me till now. So it is not a dream. It is not. See, if you doubt me, may I come? Follow me to my room. I will show you the first blood on my bed sheets.
This is strange, oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Chioma, Ibiakwa.
It was Obiajulu's ghost that slept with you.
God forbid, Ibiakwa. I beg, don't tell me that. How can you say something that has happened to my Obim? Nothing happened to him. He went to the city, he's coming back.
Then my sister, tell me, what else can explain what you just told me? You see, this world is full of mystery. Anything can happen. Anything is possible.
Choma, nothing happened to my Obim. Nothing. Choma, stop this now. Stop this. You're making me nervous. You're making me nervous.
Okay, I'm sorry. But let's watch and see. Let's just wait until things are unveiled. But I advise, don't disclose this to anybody.
What do you mean by things unveiled?
Yes, now. You could be pregnant. See, it has happened before.
Are you serious?
It happened in my maternal home. There's this man and he died. He came back to make his girlfriend pregnant. Yes, it has happened.
Choma, you're making me scared. You're making me scared.
See, don't be scared, You don't have to be scared. Jidyo bigaka, But most importantly, don't let a second ear hear about this. Inanu?
What if what you said happens? I don't know what to do.
You can bear it. Just be strong. Be strong. But you see, I have to be going. I have to go home and cook for my mother. She will soon be back from the market.
And now, Choma, but you just came now. Stay with me a little now. Please now. Please, I need you around now.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Once I finish cooking tomorrow, I'll come and see you. Don't worry, Just be strong. But remember, don't tell anybody what you have just told me.
I'm waiting for you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't come and come to your house.
Okoro, I summoned you here to hear what this young man was telling me. Young man.
Sir.
Tell us what you told me.
I greet you, sir.
You're welcome.
My name is Ibeka. I work in a mortuary in Amobia. A young man named Obiajula Aba died in our hospital.
Huh?
Yes, sir. But before he died, he was able to tell the doctor where he came from. So the management of our hospital sent me here to tell the king.
What is he talking about? No. Obiajulu? Our Obiajulu?
Yes, sir. And that was why the hospital management sent me here to tell the king.
What really happened to him? That was what I've been asking. What really happened to him? A very young man.
I'm not in the position to say that, sir. But if I may say, it looks like an accident.
Accident?
Just like that.
Hey! Hello?
Wow. Young man.
Sir.
Thank you for your time. We'll send somebody tomorrow to come and confirm.
Okay.
I want you to do me a favor. As you're leaving now, please do not tell anybody from this village this news. Please.
Alright.
Until we confirm it. Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much. Hey! And remain. What's that? Oh no. How can we carry a man with broken waist? Tell me.
This is terrible. This is terrible.
Dikeh now.
Bet, Okoro, tomorrow we'll go to Amobia and confirm this news. But please, before then, don't let Abba hear of this. Please.
Dikeh,
Papa, oh. Papa. Oh, Papa. Papa. Papa, Guinea. Papa.
Okay, is that you?
Yes, Papa, it's me. Papa, what is it?
I have fever.
Ah, fever? Papa, have you taken medication?
No.
Okay, Papa, you know what? Then you have to eat. I brought you food then I'll go and buy you medicine. Oh?
I want to go to the hospital.
But you have to eat. You have to eat, Papa.
I am not hungry.
Papa, Biko, no. You just have to eat so that I can take you to the hospital. Papa, see, I made your favor right. I made it myself, Papa. Papa, please, stand up and eat.
I don't want to eat.
Papa, you have to eat. You just have to eat, Papa, please. Stand up. Papa.
My leg is paining me.
Huh?
My toe is paining me.
But what happened to you?
I hit it yesterday.
No, Papa, okay. See, you just have to eat now so that I can take you to the hospital. Oh? Biko, stand up, Papa.
Okay.
Papa?
I have not seen Obiajulu.
Papa, Obiajulu will come. He will come. Papa, please, Biko, stand up. Just stand up so you can eat. It's okay. Let me get it.
You're welcome. Welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
Abba.
No, sir. He has refused to eat.
You should have forced him to eat.
Abba, I can't go on like this. Try and take something. Please.
What did the doctor say is wrong with me?
You say you have malaria parasite.
Malaria parasite?
Yes. And he assured us that you'll be fine.
Yes, of course.
Obiajulu is not back yet.
I sent Chima to Enugu to tell him that you are critically ill.
Are you sure my son is alright?
Yes, very alright.
I am having a bad feeling about him.
Listen, there is no need to worry. If Obiajulu is not alright, I would have told you this for long. Don't worry, he will soon come back. Just be yourself.
You have not lied to me before.
And I will never be ready to lie. I will not lie to you.
I will believe you.
That's alright. That's alright. It's okay. You'll be alright. Can we go now?
Please, have you heard from Obiajulu?
Yes. No. We only sent somebody to go and call him. We sent Chima.
No. I don't believe you. Why are you crying?
I am not crying. I'm not crying at all. Look at it. I'm not crying.
Is everything alright? Is there something you are not telling me? No, I'm not a child. I've been seeing signs. Yes. If Obiajulu is dead, tell me. I have seen him twice.
Listen, don't talk like that. Nothing has happened to that boy. It is okay. You have seen him twice. You?
Yes. I have seen him and he always vanishes.
You are a strong woman. My dear, don't worry. Tomorrow, I will talk to you.
If you don't tell me the truth now, I will go inside and tell him that Obiajulu is dead.
Okay, you will not do such a thing. Please.
I'm doing that already.
No.
No, come. Please. We don't want to worsen this situation. Please, and can try to understand. Please.
What is it?
Then it means Obiajulu is dead. Is Obiajulu dead?
No. Darling, please.
Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
Are you alright?
Yes, Papa. I'm fine.
Kemi, I want to go.
Papa, you're not strong enough to go.
I want to go. Call the doctor for me.
Papa, no. You will soon be discharged. Please, Papa. Please. Just be patient.
Okay. Call the doctor for me. I want to talk with him.
You didn't tell me you were leaving the hospital.
I want to go and look for my son.
Abba, I have told you you cannot go to Enugu like this. I told you that I have sent Chima to Enugu. He will soon return.
I want to go by myself.
No. You cannot go to Enugu with this condition. Mbano. Please, take it easy.
I must go by myself because there is something everyone is hiding from me. And I believe it has to do with my son. Something is definitely wrong with my son.
Abba, nothing is wrong with him. Obiajulu is very safe. Very, very safe.
Okoro, there is weakness in your voice. What is wrong?
What is wrong? How? Where?
I don't know. But each time something is bothering you in your mind, I always detect it from your voice.
Of a truth, I have been so bothered about your condition. But now that you are okay, I think I am relieved.
Okoro. Okoro.
Come out of that. Come out of. Everything is alright. Don't worry. Just go and rest. You need rest. Hey.
Okay. Papa, please go home and bathe and change.
No, Papa. I want to stay with you. I've already sent words to my mother and she'll bring my clothes for me.
My daughter, I don't even know how to thank you.
Papa, you don't have to thank me. All I want for you is to get well.
I'll be fine.
Let me get you your drops.
No. I cannot continue to tell lies to Agba. Because he can read it from my voice that there is trouble. Yes.
So what do we do?
No. I think we have to tell Agba everything that happened. We can't keep on hiding it from him. Besides, that boy's body, Obiajuru's body has to be buried on time so that his spirit can have rest. Yes.
You are right. His spirit needs to have rest. Our people used to say, no matter how terrible an eye seems, you must be used to look at something. We have to tell her tomorrow.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much.
I thank the gods.
I am happy seeing you, very bright today.
I thank the gods. Let me call him to bring kola nut.
No. Don't worry about kola nut. Don't worry.
How will you come to my house and refuse my kola?
Agba, leave that kola nut for another day. We have come for a more serious day.
Well, if you say so. If you say so.
Abba, as Okoro have said, we are here for something very important and serious. There are certain things you cannot hide forever. Like a woman cannot hide pregnancy for 9 months. And a leper cannot hide the wound with the dust. One day rain will fall and it will reveal it. We have waited patiently for you to get better, for us to tell you what we are about to tell you now.
Oh no, why are you talking in parables? There's nothing the eye can see that will make you to shed blood.
That is very true, my brother from another mother. You see, it has been very difficult for us to reveal this. Because we do not know how you are going to feel. Eh? All the same, please. I want you to hold yourself. Like a man that you are. Please, Pico, you don't wake it. Yes.
What is that news? My ears are itching.
Abba, we finally find Obiajulu. But all is not well.
Where? What happened? What happened to him?
Abba. I told you, I said, hold yourself. Are you not a man? Huh? Hold yourself. Get yourself together. Please calm down.
Abba.
Huh?
Obiajulu is not well.
I told you I
My son Obiajulu! Why?
If any will jedebe, if unanya did not be, if unanya da wow, Madonna wow, if any will jedebe, if unanya did not be.
Papa, where are you going to?
I am going.
Papa, please, let's go inside, Papa, please, let's go inside. No, Papa, come. Papa, no, Papa, come. Papa, please, don't do this to me. Let's go inside.
Okay, my daughter. Now that the burial is over, you can go back home to your people. You can always come back here to visit me.
No, Papa. I don't want to go back home. I can't leave you here all alone. My mind will not be at rest. I am not going, Papa. I won't go.
I'll be fine. Go back home to your people. You know, you'll soon be starting school. You need to go and get prepared. I appreciate everything you have done for me.
There's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
Mama, promise me you will not be angry with me.
Even if I get angry, my child, I will not beat you. Huh? Tell me.
I am pregnant.
What?
I am pregnant for Obiajulu.
Tell me you're joking. No, it can't be true.
Mama, I am not joking. It's not my fault. I'm sorry.
Kemakonam, why? Why? How did it happen? But you told me he has not touched you. Oh, was that why they quickly came to pay your bride price?
It happened like a dream. He came into my room the day I suppose he died. I couldn't resist him. I couldn't stop him from touching me. He later came to me in my dream with a baby boy.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
I can't explain it myself. All I know is that I am pregnant for Obiachulu. He came to me the day he died.
How do I explain this to your father?
There's nothing there to explain to him. I will talk to him.
Hey! Kemakonam, this is trouble. Hey, this is trouble.
Mama, you don't have to let it bother you. I'll be happy to raise Obiachulu's child.
Kemakonam, do you realize how this could drag? I mean, do you realize where this is going to? A dead man got you pregnant. How will people react to that? I mean, what would they think?
Mama, I don't care what people will say or what people will believe. Has it not happened before?
I hear it in stories, but I never pray for this to happen to my own child.
It has happened. We have to face it. This is my cross, Mama. Let me bear it.
I don't believe you.
All I know is that he just came to my room.
How do we tell people this? It is shameful.
Papa, what is shameful in this? Has he not paid my bride price? He has paid my bride price.
And is that why you did this?
Papa, I did not do anything.
If I talk to you,
it just happened. Papa, I didn't do anything.
Listen, when I talk, you don't raise your voice at me. Do you realize you've cast my reputation in the mud? Do you?
Papa, I expected you as my father to understand with me that this is my cross and let me carry it. If you don't want me here, I can easily go and live in my father-in-law's house.
Did you say in-law? You don't have any in-law. If Abba and his son Obiajulu think they can play a fast one on me, you're joking. It can never happen. And you, if you think you can walk away from my house and go and live with them, I say you are a liar. It's a lie. It will never happen. Don't ever tell me to take it easy.
Mama, talk to him. Talk to him. I do not need his permission to leave this house. Obiajulu's family is my family.
What do you mean? Don't you ever tell me to take it easy. Don't ever tell me to take it easy. I told you these people have plans. You didn't listen to me. Now, Abba and his family, they have put my name and reputation to the mud. This is it.
Nai.
What is it?
We need to talk.
About what?
Our daughter.
And what about her?
I think we should allow her go to Obiajulu's father's house and stay there.
Can you listen to yourself? You want our own daughter to go and marry a man old enough to be her father?
That's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we should allow her go there and have the child. And after that, she will come back home. Remember, the child belongs to them.
Never! No, never! No child belongs to them. Listen, I don't need to hear anything about Obiajulu and Alba.
Nah, you're trying to stir up problems between our family and their family.
Oh, the problem has already started. I will give it to them in quantum. You wait and see.
Nah.
I don't want to hear anything about it again. In fact, I'm going to bed.
So, again, why didn't you tell me all this while?
I'm sorry, Papa.
Can you be honest enough to tell me how and when exactly this happened?
Papa, Obiajulu came to my house the night he died. Yes, Papa. I won't lie to you. His ghost came in that night and took my virginity.
So, this is the seed he was talking about.
Papa, what seed?
I saw him that same night. Yes.
You did?
Yes. I saw him that same night. He told me he planted a seed inside you.
Chukudalo. My God, thank you. Thank you. At least somebody believes me now.
Are you saying that his ghost got you pregnant?
Mama, this is my first blood. Yes, Mama. It happened right on my bed, in my room. Mama, I won't lie to you.
Hey, you mean you people have not done it all these years?
Mama, now you believe me.
Yes, I do, my daughter. I do. I believe you. I believe you.
And where are you going to with that food flask?
I am taking food to my father-in-law.
As what? As who? As his new wife?
Papa, I don't know why you've suddenly changed. Papa, what has come over you?
Take that food inside.
Papa, please. Please. This man is sick. He has no one to cook for him. I beg you, Papa, let me take this food to him.
I said take that food inside now. And where are you going to?
I am going out.
Go back inside. Come back here! Come back here! Hey! Ngam! I will kill you. Where is she? Where is that useless girl? I know she's hiding here. Where is she?
Where is who?
My daughter. I know she's hiding inside there.
I've not seen Nukemi here today. She's not here.
Liar.
What?
You are lying. I know she's inside there. Go in there and bring her out, or else I will go in and bring her out myself.
What has come over you? This is not yourself.
You think I'm joking? Hey, Odemma, you wait. She's hiding. Tell her to keep on hiding. I will come for her.
That is it. Father will not let me go.
I knew this would cause a problem. I saw it come.
It is not a problem. It is my father that is making it look like a problem. I'm carrying Obiajulu's child, yes. He has paid my bride price, yes. And if I decide to have the child in his father's house, is that a problem? It is my decision, not his. It's not my father's decision.
Just listen to yourself, eh? Listen to what you're saying. Why not listen to your father and let peace reign, eh?
Let peace. Did you say let peace reign? Never. It will not happen. Peace will never reign as far as I am carrying Obiajulu's child. Never.
Can you just listen to yourself? Nkem, you're making things difficult for yourself, eh? Do you want your father to hate you?
Let him hate me. Let him hate me. This is why you even taking this in personal. Ogbasaragi? Ogbasaragi? Please let's forget about it.
Nkem, come here. Nkem, come back here. Come back here now. Nkem, what is your problem?
Why are you shouting? Do you want to bring down the roof of my house with your shouting?
My daughter. I want my daughter.
She's my daughter-in-law. It seems you don't understand the tradition.
You think I don't know your plan? You are failed. You are failed. Oh yes.
Well, I don't want to banter words with you. As you can see, I'm still mourning my son. So, go back home and rest. Yes.
Go and rest.
Yes.
Hey, I swear I will show you.
Me?
Oh yes.
Me?
I will deal with you in this community.
It's a lie.
Okay, let's look at it.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Papa.
You have to go back one place.
No, Papa. I'm not going back to that house. Never. I will not go back to that house.
No. You will go back. I don't like trouble. I don't want to make trouble with your father. The only respect I can give to my late son is to mourn him in peace. Don't you want us to mourn him in peace?
I won't.
Good. So please.
Okay, Papa, I've heard.
Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I sorrow for far, if I sorrow for far, baby, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love.
Sir?
Now tell me the truth. Tell me the truth or I will cut off your head and bury you here now. Who is responsible for that pregnancy?
Papa, I have told you. It was Obiajulu.
You think I'm joking with you? I said, who is responsible for that pregnancy?
Papa, Makachuku, it's Obiajulu.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Tell this girl to say the truth, or else I will kill her here, right now. What happened? This stupid girl is pregnant, yet she does not want to tell me who is responsible for it.
Hey, Nkemakolam, why not tell your father the truth?
I have told him the truth, but he didn't believe me.
This stupid girl is saying that Obiajulu, a dead man, impregnated her. Can you imagine that? I will kiss her.
Hey, please. Wait. Papa, let me talk to you. Papa, don't raise hand on her again. I will investigate this matter personally. I will find out the truth. I assure you. Eh? Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
Okay, because of you?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I will handle it. I will find out the truth. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Our people used to say, if a man does not know where the rain started beating the person, he will not know where it will stop. If you have any other man that we don't know, why not tell us? Let him accept responsibility for this pregnancy.
Oh no, I don't have any other man. I don't. I have told my father that Obiajulu got me pregnant after he died. But he won't believe me. He just won't believe me.
I'm not surprised to hear this, Tumakolam. It happened some time ago in Omonato. I'm surprised it's happening in my own town now. Is Abba aware of this?
Yes. He's aware of it. He told me that Obiajulu has appeared to him and told him in his dream that I'm carrying his child.
Hey! Don't worry. You can go home. Eh? I will find out more truth about this matter. Okay?
Thank you, no, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Everything will be okay.
Thank you.
What a mysterious word.
My fellow elders, I have only come here to return the bride price that Abba and his family paid on my daughter's head. Period. I want my daughter back.
Papa Nkem, did your daughter ask you to do that?
She doesn't need to tell me anything. I am her father. Oh yes.
Mba, Abrejoku, Promenade. It is left on Kim to decide whether she wants to stay in her husband's house or she wants to go.
And that is after she has given birth to Obiajulo's child.
Exactly. Because traditionally, she is a full member of Abba's family.
Mba! Lie! How can she say a ghost impregnated her? Does that not sound strange to all of you?
No. It doesn't sound strange to me at all. It happened some time ago. And then Banato. And the young man the lady in question gave birth to is the richest young man in that community today.
That is Mbanato, Biko.
Obiajulu once told me in my dream that he planted seed inside Nkem, and that was the night he died.
My fellow elders, let us cut this story short.
To cut this story short, Nkem is here. And she's old enough to decide what is good for her. Let she decide where she wants to stay. Nkem Makola, tell us.
I want to stay here until I give birth to my child.
Aywa, this is her home. Nkem is free to leave, to stay here as long as she wants to.
Agba, what do you think people will say? They will say you are the one who impregnated her. Can't you think?
Let people say whatever they want to say. She's my daughter-in-law.
Let people say whatever they want to say according to him. The most important thing is something to make us feel happy all day. Oh yeah, that is all.
And Obiajulu must come back again.
Certainly, he must come back. So what are we talking about?
Abba, don't you have a way in this house again?
Oh no, you are asking me again. You should trust me.
Of course.
Papa.
Go inside there and bring that keg of palm wine.
Okay, Papa.
Yeah, Papa, come. What is wrong with you? Nothing. No, tell me, what is wrong with you?
I'm talking something serious.
Why? Does it mean? Why did you leave that place like that? Don't you know that walking out on us like that will make you look more stupid? Don't you know? I don't like what you have done. I want to ask a question. Do you want to marry your daughter? Good. That girl has found this family a very worthy family. She has found her heart desire here. Why not let her be? Why not let her be? Let's go and join them.
Papa, welcome. This is to make all of us happy. Yeah, we should be happy. Very good.
Forever love, my forever love, we will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love, we will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love, we will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together, leave you never, forever love, love forever, be together.